Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students should be able to recognize and use the conventions to demarcate 3 and 4 syllable words. Demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to lead and follow. Recognize and understand that in a paragraph, sentences join to make sense in relation to each other through transitional device. Use pre-reading strategies to scan a simple text for specific information. Apply while reading strategies to interact with text to guess meanings of difficult words from context. Provide the missing information in the gapped summary. Classify into different categories and use more naming, action, and describing words from pictures, signboards, advertisements, labels, etc. in their immediate and extended environment. Spell some words studied in class, both orally and in writing, and take dictation of words studied in class. Recognize and use some naming words as collective nouns. Classify more nouns as common and proper nouns, that is, names of people, pets, places, mountains, lakes, rivers, etc. Illustrate the use and structure of previously learnt tenses in the speech and writing. Use capitalization according to the rules learnt earlier. Make simple sentences by using SV, that is subject and verb, and SVO, that is subject, verb, and object pattern. Write a paragraph to describe, show, sequence in a picture, series of pictures. Complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases, and sentences.